Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into the Google account you want as your default. This establishes the primary session. Once signed in, make sure other Google accounts are signed out or closed in that browser. This prevents automatic session switching. Next, open your browser's settings or the device's account manager so you can control which account the browser prioritizes. Follow these first actionable steps now to lock the session to the right account, because the default is chosen from active signed-in sessions. Once you've confirmed the right account is signed in, click the account avatar in the top right of Chrome or the profile icon in other browsers. From there, select the profile or person that matches your preferred Google account and choose the option to make it the default profile. In Chrome, this is under Manage People. If the option isn't visible, create a dedicated profile for that account and set it as the active window. This ensures new links and sign-ins use that Google identity moving forward. Finish by restarting your browser or device so the chosen profile becomes the persistent default. This applies the change system-wide. If you notice the account keeps switching, clear cookies for accounts. Google, calm or remove extra profiles that cause conflicts because lingering cookies create session ambiguity. Make sure to use separate browser profiles for different roles to avoid overlap. If problems continue, sign out everywhere from your Google account and sign back into only the desired default account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.